Hey guys, wanted to do something a little different here. I wanted to do an unboxing on my new camera, and I got the Fujifilm XT4. Super stoked about this camera. I've been wanting this thing for a long time. Let me just jump right into the unboxing. No more talking. I'll tell you why I got it in a little bit. Yeah, when you buy this camera, you get like a free copy of Lumen X4, is like a Photoshop software. I thought that was pretty cool. I already have it because I bought a lens from Fujifilm. So, but that's pretty convenient. Some paperwork. Definitely need to read these. Comes with 2 thick manuals. Dang. I'm assuming that's thick because there's probably a lot of different languages. Anyways, yeah, this is the main attraction right here. Put this aside for a second. Oh, so sick. So I'm filming this all on the XT30. I'm just going to be using the XT30 for a backup camera. I'm going to save just in case anything happens to this bad boy, which I hope nothing happens to this. But yeah, this is going to be my new camera. I'm going to be using this for vlogging. So this right here is going to be a sweet feature for my vlogging or for my channel. So this is going to help out like a lot. So this is one of the main reasons why I bought this thing. So I bought this camera for several reasons, and one of the reasons, like I said, was the flip screen. The next would be like the image stabilization that it has. It's got IBIS, so like I don't know if you can see the sensor kind of moving around, but it's got like a gimbal in there. It's basically gonna help if I like run around and stuff like that. So it's kind of like a GoPro, if you will. So I think that is pretty sweet. Also, this thing has a more heavy-duty shutter, so this thing can go up to 300,000 actuations. It's before it supposedly dies, I guess. I don't know. I think most cameras in my XT30 is 150,000, so it's like double. And another amazing selling point about this camera is the fact that it's water resistant. I don't know why, but that just, well, I do know why. That sounds awesome to me. So maybe I can like go shoot in the rain. This is the 16 to 55 millimeter. This thing is also weather resistant, and I'll just put this on here so we can see it, just in case some people have this lens. So let me hook this up here real quick and locked in. Now that's a fully weather resistant camera right there. That's gonna be sweet if I'm like traveling around and I want to get some shots in the rain. I don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, I just feel like this camera is just gonna last me a little bit longer, and it's gonna be more heavy duty. So I got that. I'm probably gonna be, there we go. That's what I'll do. Be very careful of that thing. Anyways, let me put this away here for a second. I'll show you what else is in the box. Screw that on there. Oh, I'm so stoked. Alright, so just take this out. And got this. And you probably know the deal. Charger, camera strap. That's the charger. And the great thing about these cameras right here is I believe that's USB-C, Type-C, and it works with my Android and my GoPro. So like Fujifilm, that's awesome. So I got that. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a, I don't even know, it's like a double prong USB-C or USB Type-C. I think that's what it's called. I have no clue. I forgot. That's weird. And then, oh yeah, the dongle. I actually need to try this out here real quick because I have this Rode mic right here, and it's got these two, and I could have sworn it plugged in. So let me just do this really quick. Yeah, it should be to the top. see if this one. Yeah. What in the world? Okay, so I'm not crazy. This is the 3.5. Pretty sure it's 3.5, and the other one on the road that fits into the Fuji XT30 is a 2.5, if I'm not mistaken. It might even be smaller than that, I'm not sure. But it fits this. Perfect. Boom. So yeah, I guess I need to do just a little bit more research on why this dongle is here. So I know that the dongle plugs up into, let's open this thing here. Dongle plugs up to this right here, your little charge port, and then this plugs up into that also. Okay, so sure. I wonder what that's for, because this says mic up here. Dang it, this is so annoying right there. Okay, yeah, this says mic right there. So yeah, I don't know, I'll have to test that out. Look for a future video over here, because I'm going to be doing a lot of video work with this camera. Cool. That's sweet. It looks great. I was debating on getting it comes in silver or this awesome black. Silver would be sweet too, but yeah, I wanted this black one. So I don't think they changed much as far as the video on here. They did give you a nice little flip button here for the video or movie and stills, so that's sweet. My XT30, you have to like click this all the way over here to the. It's all right. It does the job, but this is where it's at right here. This thing is super expensive though. $1,700 for this bad boy. I know it's a lot of money, but I legit got a job just so I could buy this camera, and then I quit. So yeah, I did that. Yeah, well, anyways, I can't stop talking about this thing. It's so sweet. Oh yeah, bigger battery. So that's sweet. That should be sweet. Yeah, bigger battery. What else? Oh yeah, the dual SD card slot. So you got 1 and 2. Ended up going with the Pro grade 64 v60. See how that thing does. Sorry guys, I apologize about this lighting situation. This lighting, this table area, it's not the best, but I'm working with what I got. Anyways, I put this down. You got a sweet Fujifilm strap. This thing is actually a pretty cool looking strap. This is a very freaking nice strap. It's like got some cushion in it. I've never seen a strap like this from like one included, a strap included in your with your camera. It's like really, I feel like that'd be comfortable. And it says Fujifilm, so you can rep it. Sweet. Nice black. I wonder if the silver would be like a different color. I doubt it, but yeah, that thing's sweet. I might actually use that, no joke. About time. And this stupid power brick. I don't know why it's stupid. I just feel like everybody's got one of these bad boys. Not like this though. That's weird. So you put your USB Type-C right in there. That's just so weird. What in the world? So yeah. So you have to use. No, you don't. This is just. I feel like I'm not going to use that because yeah, I don't feel like I'm going to use that. Yeah, this goes into here like so. But yeah, I don't feel like I'm going to use that because I have to use like a power outlet. I'm going to be traveling a lot in my car and I don't really have access to much of these outlets. So yeah, I don't know about that. Might not use that. Just use my phone charger. Yeah, just let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that, and I'll try my best to answer them. I'm probably not the best person to ask about this thing. Fujifilm's website is pretty dope. Before I bought this thing, I was like constantly looking at this thing on their website, just drooling. And finally, I just pulled the trigger and bought it. Bought this bad boy. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more videos with this thing, because from now on, I'm going to be using the Fujifilm XT4 for filming. I want to see how it goes. And this is going to be my first camera with this flippy screen for vlogging. I am so curious to do videos with that. That's gonna be dope. Cool. So before I go, I'll just do like a palm comparison. See how big that thing is in my hand. Yeah, it's definitely bigger than the XT30, or I mean XT20, same size basically as the XT30. It's got like this sweet grip up here. It's just so much better. Ergonomics is just crazy. Like, what? It's just sweet. Yeah, I really do like that. This thing, the eyepiece, is a lot better. XT30. This thing is sweet. I'm sure the XT3 is like that too, but yeah, this is just definitely a more professional camera. Not too many people are gonna need this thing. I just felt like all my lenses, like this lens I'm using right now, is gonna mount up perfectly to this. This lens I'm using now is already like a $700 lens. I don't wanna have to go buy another camera and then another lens. I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna get the camera that I want, and then it's gonna fit all my lenses. So I have this lens, I've got the, and here is the 35mm lens. So yeah, I'm able to, I don't have to worry about that. And then I'll just have my XT30 for a backup. But yeah, guys, sweet. I can't wait to use this thing. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you can see some videos in the future. Cool. All right, guys, peace out. Thank you for watching.